If you're into two-strokes, you know the Yamaha YZ125 has been a staple in the motocross world for years. But the 2026 model? It's something else. Yamaha's taken a fan favorite and given it just the right modern upgrades. Whether you're a weekend warrior or an up-and-coming racer, you're going to want to hear this. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Let's dive into the 2026 YZ125. Design. Right off the bat, the YZ125 looks sharp. The updated bodywork gives it a more aggressive, race-ready appearance, and the new color scheme feels clean and modern without losing that classic Yamaha vibe. The seat design is slim and flat, making it easier to shift your weight in corners or over jumps. Performance. This bike still screams, literally and figuratively. The 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine now has refined port timing and a reworked exhaust system, giving it crisper throttle response and better power through the mid-range. It's still light, nimble, and insanely fun to ride. Perfect for honing your skills or just tearing up the track. Features and technology. Yamaha didn't reinvent the wheel, but they did fine-tune it. The 2026 model features updated KYB suspension with more adjustability, letting you dial in your ride with precision. The braking system's also been slightly tweaked for better feel and consistency. And yes, it's still kickstart only, which keeps the weight down and the nostalgia alive. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 stays true to what makes two-strokes awesome, while adding just enough modern refinement to keep things fresh. If you're looking for a pure, lightweight MX experience with a proven track record, this bike deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Next Gen Reviews. Drop a comment if you've ridden the new YZ125, or if you're thinking about picking one up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest, up-to-date reviews on the latest bikes. See you in the next one.